Good morning, children. Today in Living Science, we are going to do revision of Lesson 1 Food and Feeding Habits of Animals and Lesson 2 Safety and Homes. These two lessons you are going to study for your unit test 1. Take the correct answer. In unit test 1, you are going to have multiple choice answers. For that, it is like tick the correct answer what we always do in our question papers. There's a question and there are 4 options for the answer. Out of that 4 option, you have to select the correct option, right? So that is tick the correct answer. We also call it as multiple choice questions, right? Let us do few examples for it so that you will understand how to do it. Number 1. Snake dash its food. And the 4 options are swallow, chew, gnaw and tear. Out of this 4 options, you have to select the correct one. Snake dash its food and the answer is swallow. So, we have put a tick on it, right? In exam, you have to select the answer. Number 2. Butterfly suck dash from flowers. The options are blood, nectar, cold drink and medicine. Think for the correct answer. Answer is nectar. Next, dash need food to grow. And the options are furniture, cupboard, toys, animals. Does furniture, cupboard and toys need food to grow? They are not going to grow, right? Who needs food to grow? Animals. So take animals. Next. Flesh-eating animals have strong grinding dash at the back of their mouth. So you can see the mouth of the dog. Dog is a flesh-eating animal, right? So what does it have at the back of its mouth for grinding? Nails, tongue, legs or teeth? It is teeth. Flesh-eating animals have strong grinding teeth at the back of their mouth. So tick on teeth. Next, an earthworm swallows dash. What does an earthworm swallow? Options: eggs, soil, flour or fruits. Yes, earthworm swallows soil. Next, animals that gnaw the food. You can see the squirrel gnawing the food. Option is crow, ox, squirrel or dog. Squirrel gnaws the food, right? Here I have given you pictures for the clue. But in exam you won't get the pictures. So think and tick the correct option or select the correct option. Next, plant eating animals. What are they? Carnivores, omnivores, herbivores or bornivores? What are the plant eating animals called? They are called herbivores. So tick on herbivores. It means to bite something repeatedly or chew it hard. What it is? Biting and chewing it hard? It is gnaw, lap, suck or swallow. It is called gnaw. So tick on gnaw. Next, carrots are eaten by which animal? A cat, lion, rabbit or lizard? It's eaten by a rabbit. We have done the food chain. Carrots are eaten by rabbits. Rabbits are eaten by the lion or a tiger, right? It's the example of a food chain which I have changed into multiple choice, right? Omnivores get milk, dash, fish, meat from other animals for food. The option is wool, eggs, nails or hair. They get eggs for the food, right? So take eggs. Sick animals should be taken to gardener, police, doctor or a teacher. Sick animals should be taken to the doctor for the treatment. If we are not well, we go to the doctor. In the same way, if animals are not well, we should take them to a veterinary doctor. Veterinary doctor means doctor of animals. Next, spider is dash animal. What does spider eat? Spider eats small insect. So what is a spider? It is carnivores, right? Spider is a carnivorous animal. So tick on carnivores. A frog needs teeth to have food. Does a frog need teeth? The frog does not chew the food, right? So it swallows the food. So does it need teeth for swallowing the food? No. So here there is true or false, and we have how many choice? Only two choice of answer. That is whether true or false. So we have to choose from this. A frog needs teeth to have food? No. So false. Frog does not need teeth. So it is false. Next, a dog has sharp and pointed teeth. True or false? Yes, a dog has sharp and pointed teeth to tear the flesh. It also eats flesh, right? So it is true. A stray dog is usually healthier than a pet dog. Do you see all the stray dog healthy? No, only one of them must be. But pet dogs are healthier, not the stray dogs. So the answer is false, right? Pet dogs are usually healthier, not the stray dogs. Next, mosquitoes suck its food. Is it true or false? Mosquitoes suck the blood from the body, but it is sucking it, right? It does not tear or bite or chew the blood. It sucks the blood, so it is true. Next, people get dash in accidents. What do they get? Hurt, pencil, vegetable or money. What do they get in the accident? They get hurt in the accident. So, tick hurt. We don't get pencils and vegetables when we get hurt, right? Do you get money? If you have an accident on the road, you'll get money over there when you have an accident? No. You will get hurt at that time when you have an accident. We should dash on the desk in the classroom. Dance, not climb, climb or stand. What should we do? Shall we get up on the table and the chair and dance over there? No. We should not climb on the desk. What will happen if we climb on the desk? We might fall down and we might get hurt. Right? Hitting with a bat can cause injury, rain, cold or heat. What does it cause? If someone hits you with a bat, it causes injury. Injury means hurt, right? So take on injury. When riding a bicycle, keep to your left, right, up or down. When we are riding a bicycle, which side do we ride a bicycle on the road? Do we ride on the right hand side? No, we keep our bicycle on the left hand side. It is a rule in India that we ride all the vehicles on the left hand side of the road, not on the right hand side. Right hand side it is coming and left hand side we are going, right? So in India we have driving rule on the left hand side. So left. Next, we should dash near the stove and hot pans. We should play near the stoves and hot pans? No. Shall we run near the stove and hot pans? No. Shall we jump? No. What will happen? We'll get hurt. We'll get burnt. Right? So what should we do? We should be careful near the stove and hot pans. Right? Next, sometimes accidents can put dash in danger. Lives, books, balls or plants. What is in danger if we have an accident? Our lives. Our life will be in danger. Sometimes people may die in an accident. Right? So take lives. We should dash around an injured person. What should we do around an injured person? Crowd around or not crowd around? Or stand or hang on him? No. What should we do? We should not crowd around an injured person. So the injured person will get fresh air and he'll be able to relax. Right? So we should not crowd around an injured person. Only one or two persons should be standing there. All should be standing away from that injured person. Clean the wound with antiseptic lotion, cold drink, milk or juice. What do we use to clean the wound? We always use antiseptic lotions. Either they are in the liquid form or cream form, right? Dettol, Savlon, what are they all? They are antiseptic. We use it to clean our wound. So tick on antiseptic lotion. Next, dash keeps us safe from the heat of the sun, the cold, the rain and the storm. Options are clothes. Clothes can protect you from the cold and sun. But can they protect you from rain and storm? No. Shoes can protect you from the heat. Can it protect you from the cold and rain? No. Jackets, they also cannot protect you from the storm, right? So it is the house which is protecting you from all these four things. So tick house. Now, the room in the house should be well lit, dirty, untidy or dark. How should be our rooms? Should be dirty or untidy? Or they should be dark? Do we like dark rooms? No, it should be well lit. Well lit means proper sunlight should be there in your room. So, you will get proper ventilation will be there, and if sunlight is there, there will be no germs in the house. So it should be well lit. We should remember the dash number of a doctor. ATM number. Do we need the ATM number of the doctor? No. Do we need the phone number of the doctor or the car number or the PAN number? Which one is important for us to remember? It is the phone number, right? We should remember the phone number of the doctor. Next, garbage must be thrown on the road, into a dumping place, in the garden, or on the street. Where should we throw the garbage? In a proper dumping place, not on the road or in the garden or on the streets. What will happen? It will spread diseases. Lots of flies and other insects will come over there and they will spread disease from that. So it should be thrown in a proper dumping place. We should put our hands or arms out of a moving bus. Is it true or false? Shall we put our hands and head out of moving bus? No, what will happen? It might get banged with something outside or with the vehicle coming. So we might get hurt. So it is false. Drive your vehicle on the subway. Subway is for driving vehicles? No, it is for crossing the road. And who can cross the road over there? People who are walking. So we cannot drive vehicle on a subway. It is false. Be careful with sharp things like knives and blades. Is it true or false? We should be careful or not? Yes, we should be. So true. Number 4. We should play with plastic bags by pulling over them our heads. Shall we pull it and play on our heads? No, it is false. What will happen? If we'll pull the plastic bag over our head, we'll not be able to breathe and we might die. Right? So, never pull plastic bags over the head and play. Now, for unit test, revise for you. Lesson 1, Food and Feeding Habits. I have given you textbook exercises, classwork books, worksheets and all the videos which are given. You have to revise everything for the test. Same way from lesson 2 also you are having your textbook, classwork book, worksheets and all the videos. Revise everything. But the paper will be multiple choice. So we can turn the question answers, fill in the blanks, everything in the form of multiple choice questions and you have to select the answer. So revise everything of lesson 1 and 2. Thank you children.